Wheel alignment. Wheel alignment is a suspension adjustment that ensures wheels are set to manufacturer specifications for optimal contact with the road, improving handling, safety, and tire longevity. It corrects angles like camber, caster, and toe to prevent the car from pulling, vibrations, and uneven tire wear. Alignments. Core adjustments. Technicians adjust three main angles: camber, inward outward tilt, toe, inward outward turn, and caster, steering axis tilt, to ensure proper handling and stability. Purpose. The primary goal is to maximize tire life, ensure the vehicle drives straight, and improve safety by enhancing vehicle control. Signs of misalignment. Common indicators include the vehicle pulling to one side, a crooked steering wheel when driving straight, uneven rapid tire wear, and steering wheel vibration. Causes. Misalignment often results from hitting potholes, curbing, or general wear and tear of suspension components.